Ciao everyone. I have some exciting news that Chef Denise Grande and I want to share with you. We are announcing our cooking classes. Yes, we've been doing private cooking classes. We'll still do private cooking classes, but now we have regularly scheduled cooking classes you can sign up for. Here is the schedule. Denise, talk a little bit about what these classes are.
Well, we have a pizza class, seafood class, pasta class, and lasagna class, all from scratch.
So you'll be with Executive Chef Denise Grande here in the Solare kitchen. All of this information is on the Solare website. The classes in general start at 10:30 in the morning on a Saturday. In general, you're done by about 1:30 or so. Depends on how interactive the classes are. But you're in the Solare kitchen, you have an apron on, knife in your hands, very hands-on. Not a cooking demonstration like some places do. It's a very reasonable price of $95 a student. That gives you the entire class. You have the opportunity to cook with wine, enjoying wine all the way through the class. And then it also includes a full lunch of what you made that day. It's a lot of fun. Bring some friends with you. We limit the class to approximately 10 students. Go see all the information on our website. You sign up by using a system called Tock. Pretty easy to use. If you have any questions or any problems, you know you can give us a call or send us an email. But it's a great way to sign up. Join our cooking classes. They start this Saturday with cooking pasta from scratch with Denise Grande in this kitchen. So you're going to have a lot of fun. We hope to see you at our cooking classes. We just announced them for this Saturday through the end of the year. Thanks everyone.